Wish many more returns of the day. Wish that you rock back again what you were and give us more strength and motivate us more to do better. Happy birthday. Special wishes on your day from entire HR team. We wish you a happy birthday. Rock your side.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, dear Nataraj sir, you are my role model in many ways. I learned a lot in my 8-year experience in this organization. Okay, you are one of the best in the business. So I learned a discipline, a principle, and how to be patient in taking decisions, all from your. Thank you very much for all the support. Have a good birthday. Celebrate it with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Have a long life, sir.
Start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Nataraj sir. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you, dear Nataraj sir. Happy birthday to you. Where is the party, sir? Where is the party, sir? Where is the party, sir? Happy birthday to you.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. Happy birthday. You have always been a great inspiration throughout the organization. Your humbleness and your patience was always on top of each and every champion here. We always wish you your best luck ahead. Thank you.
What can I speak about Nataraj sir? Actually, I have been with him for the last 9+ years, and he's been very instrumental in growth of strategic as well as helping his colleagues, team members to grow to the next level. Nataraj sir is a gem of a person, and I think I don't have to speak much about him. On this occasion, I would like to wish him a very happy birthday, and may God bless him with lot of health, wealth, prosperity, and may he continue to contribute much better than what he has done earlier, and wishing him all the best on this occasion. God bless you, sir.
Wish you happy birthday, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. May all your dreams come true.
Many happy returns of the day.
Sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. God may bless you. All the best. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all good health, success, and happiness in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Cheer.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi sir, many more happy returns of the day. I wish you 100 years of successful life. Thank you.
Hello sir, I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday.
Hi sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi sir,
God will.
happy birthday sir. Many happy returns of the day, Nathan sir.
Sir, many happy returns of the day from Tech Team.
Hi sir, many more happy returns of the day. I wish you 100 years of healthy life. You are an ultimate example for honesty and integrity. Now your integrity and dedication is unquestionable. You are always been a role model for all of us. Literally, you have helped the organization growing from 15 employees to 1500 employees. I wish you great things in future, and once again, very happy birthday, sir.
ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಶುಭ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯು ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಶುಭ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯು ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸರ್
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Where are you, madam? Where are you, madam?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Nataraja sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dance, happy birthday to you.
Sir, thank you for being a wonderful leader and good mentor. You are always encouraging and supportive. I pray for good health and success in your career. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Today is the perfect day to tell you that you have been a wonderful boss, friend, colleague, supporter and guide. May you get the best of everything in life. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi sir, thanks for all your inspiration and guidelines. Happy birthday to you.
Dreams come true. Happy birthday. This is your birthday song. Celebration all night long. May all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Party like feel the vibration. Like the feeling.